Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change an Instagram picture after posting. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. I have Instagram open right now. And if I posted a photo and I wanted to change that photo, I would go to the photo and I would hit the three dots at the top right and then hit edit. And here you can change the description, caption of that photo. But that's all you can do with Instagram. You can't actually change the photo after posting. It's just like TikTok or Facebook. Once you post the photo, you can change the caption for this, but you cannot change the photo. So now tap on this mark at the top right, and the only way to do that would be to hit the three lines again and then delete that photo and then repost that photo with all of your corrections. But that's the only way to go about it. The only thing you can do on Instagram is actually change the caption after posting, but you can't change the photo. So that's basically how you can change an Instagram picture after posting. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.